Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, blah blah blah, your construction trained realtor. Now I'm out in Summit View, and Summit View is from builder D.R. Horton, as I'm sure you could probably see from the model behind me, a model I don't think I've ever seen before, so I'm excited. Now this community is going to have a lot of amenities, and I did a video where I'm in the community in the car driving it. But as you can see, there's some pretty nice views because we're pretty uphill. Okay, pretty uphill. And right now they got, I think over there's the pool, the basketball, stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna check out this house that's called the Madison. Madison is 2,020 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths. Excited about this one. So again, there's a lot of stuff. There's more stuff than I can possibly talk about in this video. Most of my customers at some point, or should I say at least a lot of them, told me I should be charging extra, and I don't. Again, there's no realtor fee, there's no broker fee, and also too, you have to sign a representation agreement, and the builders mortgage companies want to see that too, because a lot of realtors are charging more than what the builder is paying, and then that buyer ends up failing the mortgage approval. So you just want to keep that in mind. That's why I don't charge you anything extra. Well, I mean, I've never charged anyone anything extra, but that's definitely one reason why now I definitely wouldn't. I don't want anybody failing a mortgage approval because they owe me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's have a look. Pretty interesting house. Again, I don't think I've ever seen this one, but as you can see from the outside, it's got a 3-car garage. Trying to move a little faster because I have an inspection that I'm going to for a customer that's at the foundation stage. Going to be meeting with the inspector over there and, look around. Nice room, it's pink. Nice size closet. Now, D.R. Horton has changed a lot, at least on this side of Florida, where you can actually make changes. What should I say? Maybe not so much as make changes, but you can customize some things with your house now. There's a lot of stuff, and I don't want to get into all that just in case if I don't have it all right, but there's a lot of different, upgrade options now and different, different things that you could do. Whereas years ago, they stopped doing it. They stopped doing that, and I think what happened was, they were losing some business because of it. At least on my end, I know they've lost business because of it. And here's the laundry room and a closet. So kitchen, living room, and dining room. And again, if you have any questions, just please reach out and contact me. Don't guess, don't assume, don't listen to your friends or some crazy person that left some comments on a Facebook group or a Reddit or something like that. There's a lot of information out there that's just totally wrong. And unfortunately, people listen to the wrong information and they do quote unquote research, and during their research, all they're doing is, acquiring knowledge that's not real, I guess you could say. It's not knowledge, it's anti-knowledge. If that's even a thing, anti-knowledge. So a pretty large bedroom. This is nice. I didn't think it was going to feel this spacious. Toilet in the closet room, yes. Yeah, that's the thing, you know, there's a lot of information online that's just totally wrong. And there's also a lot of information online as to how to handle the process, how to do it the right way, you know. And it's just not the right way, it's the wrong way. And if you listen to a lot of that stuff that's online, even like the comments that like realtors are making, which is like the standard realtor way to do stuff, you will have a pretty poorly built house. I know that. That's just a fact. I've been doing this a long time. There's a right way to do this, which is basically my way, and then there's a wrong way. Okay, so that's it. The 3-car garage is locked, so I'm not going to go in there. But I think it's a nice house. Feels pretty spacious. You know, bigger than those 1,800 square foot ones for sure. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And you can find the homes for sale at the bottom of this community's page and others. So check it out. Go to my website.